how to fix Temu verification problem. Here's what you want to do. Go into your iPhone settings here, or phone settings, and you just want to search for iPhone storage. You want to locate the application from within your phone storage, so I'll just sort this by name, and you just want to find Temu. So right here, I'll just scroll down until I see the letter T. Click on Temu here, and you want to offload the application. This is not going to sign you out of your account or anything like that. It's just going to verify the integrity of the file. So we just want to press reinstall app. Now, once this has been done, this should fix the issue. If it still doesn't, one more thing that you can try doing is changing your internet connection. So if you are using mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi. And if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, try switching over to mobile data, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys and girls next time.